If you think of a word in your language first, then translate it, then try to say it in English, you've already lost the conversation. Here's why translating in your head is the number one reason you speak slowly, and how to actually stop. You know the grammar, you know the words, but when someone talks to you, there's this gap, that half-second delay, where your brain is running a full translation in the background. By the time you're ready to answer, the conversation has already moved on. This is what's actually happening in your head. English word comes in. Your brain searches for the translation, finds the meaning in your language, builds the sentence in your language, translates it back to English, word by word. No wonder it's exhausting. Fluent speakers don't translate. They connect the English word straight to the meaning. No detour through their first language. Here's how you train that connection. Step 1. Think in pictures, not words. When you hear coffee, don't think of your language's word for it. Picture the cup. Skip the middle step entirely. Step 2. Talk to yourself in English. Narrate your day in your head. I'm making tea. I'm tired. Simple sentences. No translating. Just direct English thoughts. Step 3. Delay is normal. Speed comes from repetition, not vocabulary. The gap closes the more your brain builds direct English to meaning paths, not from learning more words. This is the after. No more searching. No more delay. The word and the meaning are directly connected. You just speak. Try this today. Pick 10 minutes and narrate your day in English. No translating, just direct thoughts. That's how you close the gap. If this helped, subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.